National Emergency Alert System has issued a child abduction. Emergency issued for Alinso Town and Rinso Town. Police was finding 11-year-old Johnson Folkson between 4 feet 6 inches and 5 feet tall. The suspect which caused this is still not found. Further details will update end of 8 p.m. EAS alert of February 2nd, 2026.
National Emergency Alert System has issued Amber Alert Emergency issued for Alinso Town and Rinso Town. More and more disappearances were found. We are currently looking on what's going on. Lock all doors and cover windows with curtains. Do not go out. End of 8:05 p.m. ES alert of February 2nd, 2026.
Emergency Alert System has issued a civil danger warning issued for Alinso Town and Rinso Town. A mysterious creature has been spotted roaming through residential backyards. The entity appears as a tall white silhouette with an angry red facial features. It may attempt to communicate with messages such as "come now." Do not attempt to approach or communicate. Stay indoors immediately. Lock all exterior doors and windows. Cover all windows with curtains or blinds. Do not go outside until the all clear is issued. End of 8:05 p.m. EAS alert of February 2nd, 2026.
Good evening, citizens. Today we are going to say about the problems that we were experiencing by the mysterious creatures that were coming to backyards of different residences. The creature is not hostile or harmful, but the creature is very intelligent and good at breaking into houses which are not locked properly. And the creature takes the individual or groups of people and putting them into abandoned and forgotten places. They are unable to get back to their homes back again in 3 days. Please lock all doors and close windows with curtains or blinds. This creature is from an abandoned place which the people that was taken by the creature. If anything happens, call to the SBT, Safety Backup Team. National Emergency Alert System has issued a local area emergency issued for Rinso Town and Rinso Town. The creature which has been spotted all backyards of residences is going to be forced by the civil authorities to get back to the woods. End of 8:07 p.m. EAS alert of 2nd of February 2026. Good evening, citizens. Today we are going to say about the backup team forcing the mysterious creature to get back to its place in the woods. As this is hard for the safety backup team, they are trying their best and this process might take 10 minutes. The creature is going to be forced to get back to its place in the woods. The citizens that were taken by the creature are now living in the creature's place for 3 days and they will get back to their houses in 3 days. Wait, I just got a message that the safety backup team has successfully forced the creature to its place in the woods and the creature is now in the woods. I hope this news was surprising everyone and we are interrupting the news to activate the emergency alert system. All clear activated by comfortable times channel number 2. This is the end of evening news. The National Emergency Alert System has issued the all clear issue for Elitsa Town and Elitsa Town. The creature that was roaming around has been forced to go to its place in the woods by the safety backup team SPT. The creature is now inside its place in the woods and the creature has now calmed down and it has turned happy from the angry face. End of 8:70 p.m. EAS alert of 2nd of February 2026.